Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Like you saw on the description, today is gonna be my weekly grocery haul. So if you want to know what I exactly bought, keep on watching. So this is small, it's like a mini haul. As you can see, I'm trying to eat more whole foods, so you're gonna see a lot of whole foods here, starting with avocados. I tend to buy the holy guacamole I want to try to start eating fresh avocados. About this, most of the stuff are from Sam's, only a few things are from Walmart. I'm gonna point that out. I think it's only like 2 or 3 things that are from Walmart. Everything else is from Sam. So Sam's Club avocados, they still hard, so I think I have few more days. I'm gonna eat the guacamole that I have on the fridge. I think I have 2 or 3, and then I'm gonna buy more guacamole for now. My trusty cauli rice, I bought 2 packs because I'm eating this like nobody's business, so I bought 2. I bought this broccoli blend with cauliflower and carrots. I know it's not keto. I don't want to hear that carrots are not keto. In moderation, you can eat them. So I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear keto police here, because this is not strict keto in this channel. If you are strict keto and you're keto police, I don't think this is your channel. Next, asparagus. Because I was buying the frozen one, but they were like thin or crinkly. Awful. I'm gonna freeze, I think, half of this pack. Because, yeah. Nope. Not even like how they taste. The frozen one, I didn't like how they taste. So, at least the brand that I bought. Over here, green beans. I always like green beans, but the one in cans. So I'm gonna try doing this one fresh, the same. I'm gonna freeze at least half of this bag. So yeah, these capers, I bought it at Walmart. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna do a recipe with this and the green beans that I tried many moons ago, and I loved it, so I'm gonna do it. It calls for this lemons, I think, and the green beans, so I'm gonna try that. Oh, these were from Walmart. I don't remember if I said it. Walmart. Halos mandarin. Again, I don't want to hear it. I eat this maybe 2 or 3. This is my guilty pleasure, even though it's not guilt, because this is carb. I know that they are carb, but they are healthy carbs, so I don't mind this type of carbs. Chicken and beef broth. These obviously are from Walmart, organic, reduced in sodium. This one I didn't reduced sodium, so I bought the regular one. Organic, obviously. I want to try this brand of the brown broth. Never had it before. This brand, so we'll see. Also, Walmart. My ground beef, organic. Also this is from Sam's. 3-pack of ground beef, 85-15% fat. I was looking for 80-20, but they didn't have, so I grabbed this one. And last but not least, Dijon mustard. This is also from Walmart. So yeah, this is my mini haul for this week. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you like this type of video, please give me a like, share, comment below, and remember, sharing is caring, and don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye.